and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the wave border. Now, the initial video I watched to learn how to do a wave border is going to be listed. The link to it will be listed in the description, so you can check that out. Now, this is not, I've changed it up to meet the need for my sea breeze patterns. So I'm going to show you my version of this wave, and I'm working on my sea breeze pattern. Now I'm going to be working with a count of 6, which means the entire baby blanket I'm doing, which is a 36 by 36, the total count is divisible by 6. So if you're doing a different blanket and you want to put this border on it, you need to figure out what yours needs to be divisible by. If you have a total number that's divisible by 5, you can make these waves in a count of 5. It's working on, I'm working with half double crochets on the edge of this, and I'm doing 6 at a time. So to make this work, in the corners I start with half double crochet increase 3 times. So I work in the same stitch as the chain right there, and I'm going to work in both loops, and I do that half double crochet 1 time. It's 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, and then I'm going to do another one, half double crochet increase. That's again 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, and then 1 more half double crochet increase. Okay, after you've done the 3 half double crochet increase, you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're actually going to do this in all the corners. So chain 4 and turn. And then you're going to slip stitch to the first stitch there. And then chain 1 and turn again. And then you've made a loop there that you're going to work 8 half double crochets in that loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now this is your first wave right in the corner there. And then you're going to make another 6 half double crochets. And so now you're not doing the increases, that was just for the corner. You're going to work in that next open stitch there and do 6 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so then you have 6 half double crochets, and you're again going to chain 4, 2, 3, 4. You're going to turn your work, and you're going to connect to that previous wave by going through this hole and coming up underneath the wave, the previous wave, and then you're going to work that slip stitch. You're going to chain 1, and you're going to turn, and again you have a loop there. So you're going to make another 8 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so then you have 2. You're going to continue to do that until you get to the next corner. Now you're going to want to have to figure out how many waves you need for, depending on the blanket you're doing this border for. I'm going to pause and I'll come back in a minute. Okay, I have done a corner wave and then 16 waves across the side, and I need to do one more wave. So for the Sea Breeze baby blanket pattern, which is 36 inches by 36 inches, there's going to be 17 waves between each corner. And each corner is going to have 2 waves that are done on the 3 half double crochet increase, if that makes sense. So I've done 16 waves. I'm going to do one more because I realize I just showed you a couple. So I'm going to show you another one. You do 6 half double crochets. 1, 2. Sorry, I skipped one there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 half double crochets. I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn my work. Connect to the previous wave with a slip stitch by going in through this hole and up under the center of that wave. Do a chain 1, turn your work again, and work 8 half double crochets in that loop you just made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, that is the 17th wave in between the corners. I'm going to do 2 corner waves, and that is a half double crochet increase 3 times. That would be 1. Oops. And then 2. And 3. So that is 3 half double crochet increases. I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. Connect to the previous one with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And work your 8 half double crochets in that loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And on this corner, you're going to do another corner wave, which is again making the 3 half double crochet increases. So we have 1 half double crochet increase, 2, and 3 half double crochet increases. And so then you have a total of 6 stitches, and you're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, chain 4, turn, slip stitch to that previous wave, chain 1 and turn, 8 half double crochets, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so that you've done a corner, and that's going to be all your corners are going to be like that. You're going to do 2 waves, 2 corner waves with the increases, and then in between you're going to have, for this blanket, 17 waves in between each set of corners. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the border, and I'll come back at the very end to show you how you connect. And at the end, when you meet up to the beginning, you know, you'll have that first wave, the first corner wave, and you're going to make one more corner wave at the end to connect to the first corner wave. But I will come back for that. Okay, I've made it to the end, and if it's been done correctly, you will have 3 spaces left to work in. 1, 2, 3. And so in those 3, I'm going to do half double crochet increase in each one of those to make the last corner wave. That's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so at the beginning you made 1 corner wave, and the end of the blanket you're going to make the last corner wave, and you should have done 17 on that side between the corners if you're doing the sea breeze blanket pattern. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain your 4, slip stitch the previous wave, chain 1, turn, and 8 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now here you are, ready to connect those waves. So you're going to go in through this stitch right here and work a slip stitch, and then up here right next to that first stitch. Okay, so you're going to go in through that, you're going to turn your work, and you're going to go ahead and connect the wave like you've been doing, and through that hole up under that initial first wave, pull your slip stitch through all the way to the front like that. So you've kind of made it look like the others. And then, if I had the scissors right with me, which I should, somewhere. Sorry, I should have had that prepared. Okay, here they are. Okay, so then you're just gonna trim that and pull that through, and then you'll weave in that end, and you'll be done. So if you're interested in the pattern for the sea breeze blanket, the link should be in the description. I hope this has helped you. Please leave a comment and subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Bye.